Pisces, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 23 to 29, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, so let's see Pisces what's coming to you. And also, meron tayong partial lunar eclipse sa September 18, 10:34 a.m. So this is going to happen in your first house, okay? Sa sarili ninyo, which is about your physical self, your outlook in life. So alam naman natin kapag full moon, yan yung time of release. Releasing anything that is no longer serving your highest good. So maaring iba sa inyo, may mga changes sa inyong mga pananaw sa buhay, or maaring meron kayong i-improve sa sarili ninyo, no? Yung iba sa physical self ninyo, sa physical appearance, physical body, mas nagiging conscious kayo sa inyong sarili. Maaring meron kayong mga bagong discovery sa inyong sarili na gusto kong i-pursue to, at yung isang bagay na hindi ka na nakaka-resonate, you're letting go of that, okay? You are now focusing on, it's like cleansing, no? Maaring iba sa inyo, focus rin kayo sa inyong kalusugan. So you are starting to have a healthier lifestyle, or maaring mas gusto nyo ngayon that you are physically fit. Ayan. Let's see what else. You have Pluto. Oh, ito yung transformation, rebirth. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong nangyayari or nagaganap na na transformation sa buhay ninyo, especially sa inyong sarili. Yung iba, 'di ba, nagkakaroon ng new version ng kanilang sarili, version 2.0, 3.0. So you are upgrading, nagle-level up ka. This is rebirth. So some of you, maaring merong endings talaga rito, endings and new beginnings. You may be letting go of an old habit na alam mong hindi na helpful para sa'yo, hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. You also have 11th house, which is your community. So I think mas lalo mong pinalalawak yung network mo. Some of you, maaring mas dadami yung kaibigan, connections, groups na sinasalihan ninyo. Mas maari ring mas magiging focus kayo sa inyong mga pangarap sa buhay, yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve. I also see you na getting into technology. Maaring mas nagiging interesado kayo sa technology. You are nag-a-adapt ka sa mga changes na nangyayari sa'yo, especially in technology, lalo na kung ang iyong career ay nasa tech, no? Nasa technology. Okay? And then, some of you, maaring meron din kayong i-let go na kaibigan na sa tingin nyo is hindi na kayo, hindi na okay yung inyong relationship, magkaiba na kayo ng pananaw sa buhay, or may kanya-kanya na kayong pinupursu sa buhay. You also have the sun, which is your vitality. So, maaring ang focus nyo talaga yung lakas ninyo, yung energy ninyo na mas mapatatag nyo pa. Some of you, ang number 9 ay napaka-importante, no? So, pwedeng lucky 9, no? Lucky yung number 9 for you. 9 in numerology is culmination. So, ito yung pagtatapos. Kumbaga, last chapter ng isang libro. So, I feel like you are now ready to let go yung mga lessons na experience mo, and kung ano yung mga natutunan mo doon, you're going to keep it sa sarili mo for your next chapter. Kumbaga bagong simula ng iyong buhay, yung bago mong tatahakin. Let's see what else. 10 of Swords. Oh, ang number 10, this is letting go. This is the end of a tough cycle. Kumbaga, wala na siyang hihigit pa dahil parang yun na yung sukdulan. Some of you, you may, para tong nagpo-purge ka. Oo, this can be a little stressful sa inyo, lalo na sa inyong sarili, no? Maari kasing merong mga, ah, yung mga bagay or tao, situation sa buhay nyo na ang hirap para sa inyo na i-let go, but nare-realize nyo na it's time to let that go because it's causing you too much stress. So, ngayon, mas pinipili mo ang sarili mo na magkaroon ng peace of mind, and part of that is choosing your happiness with the Ten of Cups, choosing whatever makes you feel at peace with the Three of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo rito, may mga ika-cut off na connections, friendships, or any connections that you feel are no longer serving your highest good, na alam mo yung tipong kahit ayaw mo naman sana na i-cut off sila, kaya lang hindi na sila nakakatulong sa mental health mo. And now you are choosing yourself. You are choosing peace of mind. You are choosing to take care of yourself. You also have the Page of Wands. So, mas ka ngayon, adventurous. You want to experience new things. Oo, Pisces. Yung kahit mga simpleng bagay na never mo pa na-experience. Example, hindi ka pa naka-experience na mag-commute. O, susubukan mo mag-commute. Hindi ka pa naka-experience na umakyat ng bundok. O kaya mag-jogging. Or kahit kahit na simple lang or maliit na bagay, you are going to explore new experiences. And you'll never know na dun ka pala mas magiging masaya, dun mo pala mas madidiscover yung sarili mo, 'di ba? Kasi there's definitely a transformation going on sa inyo. Let's see your money, career, finances. Ooh, the Emperor. Ang ganda nito kasi you are on top of your game. Pagdating sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, kontrolado mo lahat, no? Meron kang kakayanan na to be someone na mahahandle mo yung oras mo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay freelancer. Oo. You can work from home, or meron kang control sa oras mo at kung kailan ka magtatrabaho. You also have the Queen of Swords. Ayan. So, I also see na when it comes to your career, your work, your job, your business, very strategic ka. Oo. Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, alam mo kung ano yung ayaw mo pagdating sa trabaho, sa business mo. And maingat ka rin sa pag-handle ng finances mo ngayon. I think marami kang natutunan sa past experiences mo sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. Your love life, Three of Wands. Some of you, if you're single, maaring meron kayong mamimit na person sa pagta-travel ninyo. Siyempre, kung hindi kayo madalas mag-travel, so maaring hindi kayo magkaroon ng pagkakataon na merong makilala na new romantic partner, 'di ba? So, try to go out, no? So, I think you will, like what I mentioned kanina, mas dadami yung network mo eh. So, part of that network, na growth ng network mo is yung meeting new people as you travel, as you go to some places. If you are in a relationship, possible na kayo ng person mo, mas lalabas, mas mag-e-explore together. Mountain. Ito yung courage, lakas ng loob na kailangan mo para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. You also have the Bear. So this is wisdom. Spend your resources with wisdom and care. Use your power to be strong and fair. Alam mo ang lakas mo, alam mo yung kakayanan mo, and you're going to use that sa mga adventures na gagawin mo pa in the future. Okay, let's see your moon message, Pisces. Nothing is yet set in stone, mutable moon. So, maaring meron pang mga bagay na magbabago sa iyong pananaw or sa mga plano na susubukan mo, yung mga Minsan kasi nagpaplano tayo na gusto natin yun masusunod or akala natin masusunod natin yun. But may mga uncontrollable things kasi tayo na it's beyond our control. So, maaring meron pang magbago sa mga naset mo na plano. Okay? And then, communication is the key. I think, yes, ito yung part of networking for you. You will meet new people, you will connect more, you will communicate more with people. And I think this will help you grow. This will help you grow your finances, your career, your relationships sa ibang tao. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.